a disease that caused by fleas. They suck the blood of rats, and when the rat caught the disease, they will pass it on to human. Then the humans caught something called bubonic plague. It started in China in 1334. First you would start vomiting, and then you would have buboes that appear all over your body and under your arm.
Hey, you have some under your arm.
You have some around your crotch. Oh no.
These sometimes would burst. Eventually, if they did, a foul-smelling black liquid would leak out. And you would have a better chance of surviving if they did.
Can you taste it, Wayne?
That's disgusting.
No. You taste it. Okay. Oh, it's look.
This affected all the lords because all the peasants were dying out and they needed food to grow. The result was a food shortage during the Black Death.
No. The statue labourers made people not go anywhere else, and all the peasants hated this.
Boo! That's lame. So, we're running out of money to fight France. We need an idea quick. You're in the middle.
What about the poll tax?
That's a great idea, sir. What is the poll tax?
Where everybody pays the same money.
What a great idea, sir. I'll go and tell the peasants.
The king had thought of a great idea to charge everybody the same amount each year, so everybody paid £3, including lords, and 3 men. A year later in Cherry Hinton. Tis the season to be jolly.
No more poll tax! No more poll tax!
No.
I hate poll tax! How am I gonna feed my family? Poll taxes, everybody! Poll taxes! Everyone hide! Where are you?
I'm here. It's time for big time. Here comes the big scissors. You got a hard neck.
Thank you. Come on, beat it. Yay! Dead! Finally!
You keep bleeding. You keep bleeding.
Blood! Keep bleeding! Keep bleeding blood! Bleeding blood! Keep bleeding! Keep bleeding blood!
Hi, I'm What Tyler. I love pink. I'm the leader of the peasants. In your face, king. Ha.
We are drunk. Make way, drunken mutts through London.
Oi, you guy at the gate, let us in!
No. Yes. No.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes. Oh, damn.
Yay!
Charge. Kill the king.
Kill the king! Kill the king! Kill the king! Kill the king!
Die.
Hey!
Poll tax was when the king charged everybody the same amount. This is why peasants were very furious and wanted to kill the king.
The end?
I'm here to negotiate, so be quiet. I'll abolish poll tax.
More. We want more.
We want more!
I need to talk.
Pray, I'm the Archbishop. Pray, I'm the Archbishop. 1, 2, 16, 44, 100.
Hey, hurry it up there, I'm getting bored!
I'm the king, Richard. I'm 14 years old.
I am the mayor.
I am What Tyler.
And I am a peasant.
Cool.
Many of the royal officials were furious at what was happening in London. Perhaps they planned to kill Tyler. Tyler demanded that all men should be free.
I demand that all men should be free.
Yeah!
All church property should be given to the people.
All church property should be given to the people.
Yeah!
And there should be only one bishop in the whole country.
There should only be one bishop in the whole country.
Some accounts say he refused to take his hat off to the king and spat on the ground.
Oi!
After a scuffle with one of the royal followers, Tyler drew a dagger. The mayor of London then struck him with his sword and one of the royal knights killed him. The rebels began to fit arrows to their bows, and it looked as if the royal party would be massacred. At this dangerous moment, Richard rode forward, calling,
I will be your leader!
The rebels, always loyal to the king, followed him. Almost alone, he led them out of the city. He agreed to their demands and most rebels began to go home.
Do we not do it though, or do you do it?
All that we're getting is we've got a weird bloke with a dodgy accent going to McDonald's, which doesn't exist. We've got a killer penguin, and we've got a bloke with an evil bit.
The end, the end, the end, the end, the end.
Do you want to have a little bow quickly?